Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Precious, also known as simpsm on Instagram. So I've created this look. It's not really a look, it's a simple look, it's a neutral look. The reason why it's so basic, so simple, so neutral is so that I could do this eyelash installation tutorial for everybody who has been asking. I mean, I have friends who are always like, how do you do it, you know? I have people who have commented in a lot of my pictures asking me how I do it, and yeah, I really hope you watching this video, you wanna know, you wanna see, and you wanna learn. So yeah, just stay tuned to watch how I got my eyelashes. Let's I really hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, just comment down below, like, subscribe, share this page, tell your father, tell your mother, tell your sister, tell the grandchildren, everybody, like everybody, tell them to come and subscribe. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you learn from it. So yeah, the reason why I did this, let me just address that, is that in all the videos that I've posted so far, and the videos that I'll be posting, like, I won't include this step, like putting on my eyelashes, because it's so hard. It's so hard, and it takes a lot of time, and it requires focus. So sometimes I just want to do makeup and just get this done and over with, so I won't do it on camera. So that's why I included this this video, so that you can just see how I got to achieve. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's just get straight into the video. I hope you enjoy it, and until next time, I'll see you. So yeah, so today's video is very different. As you can see, I've already done my face, but I look like a little monkey because I haven't done my eyelashes, and the reason for that is because this is an eyelash installation tutorial. I'm just gonna show you how I do my eyelash. I am not perfect. I'm sure you'll see in this video I'm not perfect, but I'm just gonna try and show you how I do it, so that if you're at home and you've always wanted to, you know, practice doing your lashes, you can have some sort of reference where you just check how it's done and where you try and do it yourself. So these are the lashes that I'm gonna use. This is Eyelure number 143 Exaggerate. I chose these because they are a bit dramatic. I love them so because they are light, they are not thick, and they're not heavy. They light, they sexy, they are all things right, basically. So this is what I will be using. And yeah, when you buy eyelashes, I got this from Clicks, and these were 80 something rands, I think 80 rands, but there are cheaper Eyelure lashes that, like, they start at like 62 rands, 60 rands and whatever. So when you do buy lashes, I would advise that you check here. This one says adhesive included, meaning that there is glue inside, so you don't have to worry, you don't have to stress about buying glue. You can buy glue if you want a glue that is more stronger, because this one, it does not last that long. Like, it is not that durable. However, it is a good glue for if you are a beginner. Another thing is that you can check at the back as well. They have also listed the steps that you need to follow, as well as a picture here that shows how the lashes will look like on you. So that is also very important, especially if you are a beginner or if you don't like things that are too dramatic and all of that. So yeah, they will describe a bit about the lashes, if they are dramatic, if they are lightweight and whatever. You will find those details at the back, and you can also try different lashes and find the one that you like eventually you will find the one that you like. This is already torn because I've already opened these. I was nosy. So inside, okay, so this is what you find when you take the lashes out, and I'm just gonna remove the lashes from this and make sure that I don't mix them up. So as you can see, there's right, there's left, this is the right eye, this is the left eye. Make sure that you don't mix them up because you might end up just looking crazy and you don't want that. And there's also a glue. This glue comes with those, and then there's a leaflet, I don't know where I put it, but there's like a note that I think it has the steps, precautionary measures, all of those things on that leaflet, but well, we're not gonna worry about that today. So basically what I do is that I will take my lash. It looks like this. This is the right eyelash, and then this is the left eyelash. Let me just make sure. So this is my right eyelash, and then this is my left eyelash. The reason for taking this now, okay, the first thing that we're gonna do, our first step will be measuring the lash against your own lash line to just see whether you need to cut this or you need to keep this length. So this is how I would do it. I'd place this in the middle and see whether it fits my lash line, and according to your preference. I prefer keeping them a bit shorter because I find that if they are long, they don't apply easily. However, they need to be a bit shorter. I don't want the lash to start here at the end, and I don't want it to start at the beginning. I want it to start just here, so it's a bit long. And because I've already used this, I already know the length of my natural lash line. So what I'm gonna do is take a nail clipper and I cut the sides, like I cut the outer part, not the inner part, because the inner part is short. So if you cut it, it starts getting longer as you go, the length starts increasing as you go, right? So if you cut this part, it's gonna look funny because your lash will start being long here at the beginning. That's not normal. So I'll cut here the end. Maybe I'll cut about 2 hairs like this. I'll just clip it off, just like that. So this little piece is what I have cut off. I'll measure it again just to be sure. And yes, this looks more like me. So once you've done that, what you're going to do is that you're gonna take your glue and place it here, like stick it on the lash itself. So what I do is that I'm gonna use tweezers. You can buy these at Clicks or Discam or any cosmetic store. These are cheap. You won't find one, like didn't cost me more than 30 rands. So I use tweezers because it's easy to use. However, I use both tweezers in my hand depending on what kind of day I'm having, right? So what I would do is I will place the glue, I will apply the glue on the lash strand like this, all over, making sure that every everything is coated. So this glue is white, but it dries down clear. So you apply the lash glue. It says that you need to apply it and keep it on the lash for 30 seconds. Guys, I've forgotten to apply mascara. My life. So once I've coated, make sure that the corners are well coated, because that's usually where the lash tends to, you know, be loose or come off or whatever. So I'll just take my mascara to coat my natural lashes so that they can match perfectly with these. I'm messing up, but don't worry about that. I'll fix that in a bit. So you don't have to be like applying a thick base. This is just to make sure that there's some sort of, you know, I'm trying to find wipes, guys, I can't. So I'm just gonna use. So I'm just gonna wait for 10 extra seconds for my lashes to get tacky and sticky. You can't apply this wet. You have to wait a bit for the lashes, the glue to harden a bit. That's how best you apply this. So just wait for 5 more seconds, 10 more seconds, up until it's taking. So once you've waited for those seconds, what you do is that you will now take your mirror, put it down. This is how I best apply these. Put it down, place your lash in the middle, look down in the middle and push it in like so. And then what I do is that I go in with my hand as well, stick it in the side, the outer corner, pushing it in, and then the inner corner. Just if I see that I can't reach there, then I reach for my tweezers. Then I'll take my tweezers, oh, there's something in my eye, guys. So just make sure that this thing is sticking down your lash line. As you can see, the inner corner is the only thing that is not sticking in, so I'll just use my hand, gently pressing it in, pressing the lash in against your real lash. So at this point, because I can see that it has, you know, everything is in place, what I do is I now go in with my finger to just press the lash line, hold it against my real lash, but actually I'm holding it against my, it's like I'm holding a bit of my skin. I don't know if that makes sense. It's hard to explain this part, guys, but I'm sure you can see what I'm doing. And then I'll go back in here and then pinch my skin a bit, or sort of hold the lid, my lid, making sure that the lash line is just sticking. And once I have done that, I will push the hairs up, sort of opening my eye to make sure that everything is nice and sticking. As you can see, there's not even a space in between my real lashes and this. So that is what we want. That is what we love seeing. And if you see the whiteness here, don't worry about it. It'll dry down once the glue has completely dried. This is what you will see. So if you are a beginner though, if you haven't worn eyelashes, I'd advise you to apply eyeliner first. I don't apply eyeliner because my eyes are very sensitive. Like if I were to apply eyeliner, I'd cry for the entire video, so I don't apply eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go in and do the other lash on camera, but I won't be explaining that because I'm gonna follow the exact same process. So yes, I'm done with my other eyelash. So once I've done that, I'm just gonna go in again with my mascara. Now I'm just gonna apply mascara to just my own lashes because I have already applied mascara. I'm just gonna go lightly just to brush to make sure that it does not show where my lashes are and the fake lashes are. It's just one uniform lash and there's no spaces and whatever, and these lashes are mine. I didn't buy them. Yes honey. And I'm just gonna go in as well and apply this on my lower lashes to match the upper lash. Oh yes, 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 yes. Now that I've done that, this is how I basically apply my false lashes without any eyeliner, because like I said, I'm a very sensitive. So I had already done the rest of my face. What I'm gonna do now is highlight, put a bit of highlighter on my inner corners. So I'm using the Fave, the NYX Cosmic Metals highlighter, and just putting it on my inner corners to give this look, that bang effects. So yes guys, this is how I apply my eyelashes, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I really hope that you learned. I hope that you loved it. Any comments, just comment down below, and yeah.